Men over 40, listen carefully. If your energy, your stamina, or your intimate strength feels weaker than it used to, it's not age and it's not permanent. Your body isn't failing you, it's signaling you. And once you understand why this happens, you can turn everything back on again, faster than you think. I am Dr. Amara Cruz, board-certified urologist. And what I'm about to explain is not a medication, not a shortcut, and not a gimmick. It's real physiology, backed by science, and it works far faster than most men realize. Before I reveal exactly what this method is, you need to understand the hidden process inside your body that changes with age. Because once you understand why things decline, you'll immediately understand how to reverse it. By the way, before we start, tell me in the comments where you're watching from. Our community is growing fast, and I want to know where you're joining us from. Here's what's actually happening inside your body after 60 that affects intimate performance. 3 systems decline simultaneously. Your cardiovascular efficiency drops, hormone production shifts, and most critically, your body loses its ability to produce something called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is the master switch for blood flow throughout your entire system. When arousal happens, your body needs rapid blood vessel expansion. Nitric oxide triggers this expansion by telling smooth muscles in your vessel walls to relax. In younger men, this response is instant and powerful, but aging interferes with 3 key processes. The enzymes creating nitric oxide become sluggish. Your vessel linings grow less responsive. Oxidative damage attacks the cells producing nitric oxide. Result? Even when you're mentally ready and interested, your physical body can't keep up. Blood flow stays restricted. Firmness stays limited. Stamina disappears fast. This isn't psychological. This is measurable physiological decline, but, and this is crucial, it's completely reversible when you provide the right building blocks through the right pathway. The compound is L-citrulline, a specific amino acid your body converts directly into nitric oxide. Now, you might think amino acids sound too basic to work this powerfully. The secret isn't just what it is, it's how you deliver it. When you swallow L-citrulline capsules, your digestive system destroys most of it before reaching your bloodstream. This is called first-pass metabolism. But when you place pure L-citrulline powder under your tongue, everything changes. The tissue beneath your tongue contains dense blood vessel networks with direct access to your circulation. The compound absorbs within minutes and bypasses digestion entirely. This sublingual route delivers 4 to 5 times more active compound compared to swallowing pills. Now, timing is crucial here, and there's one aspect of timing that trips up most men. We'll get to that shortly. But first, let me show you the exact technique. Here's exactly how to use sublingual L-citrulline for maximum effect. Step 1. Timing. Take it 15 to 30 minutes before you anticipate intimate activity. This gives your body time to absorb, convert, and activate the compound. Step 2. Dosage. Measure 3 to 6 grams of pure L-citrulline powder. Start with 3 grams your first time. Most men find 4 or 5 grams works optimally. Step 3. Placement. Place the powder directly under your tongue, not on top, underneath. Lift your tongue up against the roof of your mouth. Step 4. Absorption. Keep the powder there for 60 to 90 seconds without swallowing. Let it dissolve completely. The longer contact time means better absorption through those sublingual membranes. During this time, minimize saliva production. Don't talk or move your tongue excessively. Step 5. Completion. After the powder dissolves, you can swallow any residue. But the primary absorption already happens sublingually. Within 15 minutes, L-citrulline enters your bloodstream. Your kidneys convert it to L-arginine. That L-arginine then produces nitric oxide throughout your vascular system. Blood vessels relax. Blood flow increases dramatically, not just to one area, but your entire cardiovascular system. The effects peak between 30 and 60 minutes and last several hours. Let me walk you through what to expect. First use, within 30 minutes. You'll feel a subtle warmth as blood flow increases. Responses to stimulation become noticeably stronger. This isn't forced. Your body finally has what it needs. First 2 weeks. Consistency improves dramatically. Morning firmness returns. Stamina increases. You maintain performance without that premature fatigue.
Week 3 onwards. The compound effect kicks in. Your vessel linings actually improve with regular use, producing nitric oxide more efficiently, even without supplementation. One patient told me after 3 weeks, my partner asked what changed. The difference was that obvious. L-citrulline works through 2 mechanisms simultaneously: improved blood flow plus ammonia clearance. Ammonia causes fatigue during exertion. When your body clears it faster, stamina jumps dramatically. Clinical studies on older men confirm meaningful improvements in both firmness and satisfaction. Quality. Look for pure L-citrulline powder without fillers. Citrulline malate works, but needs slightly higher doses. Daily use. Some men take it daily for cardiovascular support, then add extra sublingual dose before intimacy. Why the title isn't exaggeration. When stamina returns after years of decline, the intensity can surprise both you and your partner. Pacing yourself becomes necessary. L-citrulline is a natural amino acid your body already uses. Side effects are rare, occasionally mild flushing as blood flow increases. Important: if you take blood pressure medications, consult your doctor first. L-citrulline lowers blood pressure. Effects may combine with medications. Now, that timing detail I mentioned earlier. Most men try L-citrulline capsules and quit after seeing 0 results. The mistake? Wrong delivery method. Swallowing capsules means 90-minute wait times and weak effects because digestion destroys most of the compound. Sublingual powder delivers results in 20 minutes with 4 times the potency. One patient wasted a month on capsules with nothing. First sublingual attempt. 20 minutes later, I can't believe I spent a month on pills. Your 30-day challenge: use sublingual L-citrulline exactly as I described. Track firmness, stamina, confidence improvements. This is about giving your body what it needs through a pathway that actually works. I'm Dr. Amara Cruz. If this helps you, like, subscribe, and share with another man who needs it. Drop your questions or location in the comments. Your future self will thank you.